Good morning, all. This morning, try something different. This is Faust. I do reviews for Home Depot. I do tool reviews. I like tools. So, today I'm doing a review on the Milwaukee crimper. So they sent me this crimper, and well, for what I understand, this crimper is for crimping like big electrical clamps that they put on the big wires. But I have no use for that because I'm not an electrician. But once in a while, I come across use for pecs. So usually I take that big old friggin' clamp thing and do the crimping with those big old claw looking things, and it wears you out by the end of the day, especially if you have quite a few of them. So I got this crimper here. Don't get dizzy. I'm gonna show you. This is the crimper. Comes with 2 batteries, one in it, charger. These are all the collars. They go inside the claw. There's 2 claws. This claw's for these smaller ones, and then this bigger claw is for the bigger one. Now it comes with cutters, as you can see, but they didn't. This kit doesn't include the cutter, so you have to buy that separately. But anyway, it comes in this nice case. Paperwork's here, and there's a place for everything. So I got this crimper, I loaded it up, back up here. I can talk and... Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I got this crimper. Alright, it's a big claw, see? Look like a pirate. Anyway, I said, let me try it on pecs. So, got my pecs, got my fitting, and I got my clamp here, my ring, my clamp ring. So what I normally do, take a rubber mallet. You need a rubber mallet so you don't bust up the end of the fitting. Pound in your fitting. Okay. Now this is just totally off the wall. I never tried this before, doing it for the first time right now. If this works, I'll be so happy, because then I can use this machine. Now on this machine, okay, it's got a release right here, which releases your claws. So that means you can open them. See, open the claw, and you stick it on whatever you're going to clamp. See it? This is first time trying. Okay. Then you press the trigger, which is down here. You got to make sure this thing's lined up. Alright, here we go. As you can see, it clamped it pretty well. See the little clamp mark there? Okay, and I can't move it. So it looks like it works, which excites me, because I can take these other little collars and put them inside the machine, and use them for smaller pipe too, 3/4, 1/2 inch, whatever. And I'm pretty sure that this will work. I have to pressure test it, but for now I'm saying it works, so I'm excited. Alright, this machine here, you take out your claw by undoing this screw right here, okay? And then you can put in the smaller one, and this would do your 3/4 pipe and 1/2 inch. Now, you take out your little collar things, you pull up on these locks, and you push them out. Okay? And then you take whichever size you want. There's plenty of sizes here. And you push it back in. I'm so excited that that worked. So, this is the crimper from Milwaukee. See? Milwaukee. It seems like a good tool. I mean, it's heavy, but if you're familiar with the other tool, the manual crimper, like I said, that's a lot of work. And you just saw me crimp this thing, no problem at all. So I think this crimper is going to work for my pecs. And I'm very excited. Now before I leave you, give a shout out to Tennessee Orange. Go Tennessee and the Admiral. Alright folks, it's Faust. And I am bringing to you this Milwaukee crimper. If there's any questions, leave them in the comments. Please share the video. Like and subscribe. I would like some more subscribers. So, tell me what you want to hear. Tell me what tool you want me to review. I've reviewed several tools. I've got a whole arsenal here. And I use tools, like as you can see, I find different uses for tools. They say this tool's for this, I gotta find another use for it. So, share the video. Share, share, share. We gotta share in this world. Like and subscribe. Faust, have a great day. I'm out.